This project is a Java-based 6x6 tic-tac-toe deluxe game that I created using Java Swing for the graphic user's interface. The purpose of this program is to provide an upgrade version of the classic tic-tac-toe game with additional features such as AI mode, timers, rainbow effects, a mini shop system, and a game reset functionality. At the beginning of the program, I imported the necessary libraries like Swing, Auth, Event Handling, and Random. These libraries help me create a window interface, buttons, layout, timers, and random AI moves. The main class is called Game Java, and it extends GFrame while also implementing Action Listener. By extending GFrame, I was able to create the game window. And by implementing Action Listener, the program can respond whenever a player clicks a button. Inside the class, I created a 6x6 array of buttons which serves as the game board. Each button, each button represents one cell where the player can place an X or O. I also declared variables to manage turns, players' names, move counting, coins, symbol, style, and rainbow mode effects. For the game setup, I use G option pane dialog to ask the player for their name and to choose between versus AI mode or two-player mode. If the player selects multiplayer mode, the program also asks for the second player's name. The graphic interface is divided into the three parts: the top panel, center board, and bottom panel. The top panel contains the game timer and turn timer labels. The center panel contains the 6x6 grid of buttons, while the buttons panel contains the shop, rest, and rainbow buttons. I added two timer system in this project. The first timer is the game timer, which continuously counts how many seconds the match has been running. The second timer is the timer where each player only have 5 seconds to make a move. If the timer reaches 0, the player turn is automatically skipped. When the player clicks a button, the action performed method is activated. The program first checks if a button is already occupied. If not, it places the player symbol on the board and increases the counter. After every move, the program checks if there is already winner using the check win method. The checker win method checks for possible winning condition: horizontal, vertical, diagonal right, and diagonal left. Since the board is large than the normal tic-tac-toe, the player needs 4 matching symbols in a row to win. For AI system, I created a simple random move algorithm. The AI continuously generates random row and column positions until it finds an empty spot on the board. Then it places its symbol and checks if it wins the game. One of the extra features I added is a rainbow mode. When I activated, the background colors of the button randomly change into colorful patterns such as red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, and magenta. When I turned off, the colors returned to normal. I also implemented a mini shop system where players can add coins or reset their timer. These features demonstrates how a simple game economic system can be added into Java application. The reset function clears the board reset timer, removes the colors, and prepares the game for a new match. Meanwhile, the game method stops all timers displays. The winner shows the total time played and asks users if they want to play again. Lastly, the main method, I simply created a new Java object to launch the application. Overall, this project helped me improve my skills in Java, programming, events handling, timers, arrays, loops, and condition checking and game logic development. Thank you. So right now we're going to run the code. Let's try to see if what changes and let's try to run it and if it works.